Next, in the label display, this variable needs to be given as text. Let's click on label display and drag a set label displays text code block inside this if code block. An app variable display code block under variables is connected here. Okay. Now to type the guess number, we need to remove the number in the text input guess. For that, click text input guess and drag a set text input guesses text code block like this. I connect a code block with a pair of inverted commas under text to this code block. Also, it is necessary to change the values of cows and bulls variable to 0. A set app variable secret number 2 code block in variables is dragged into this if code block. Let's change the name of the variable to app variable cows. I will drag a code block with 0 in the math group and connect it here. Now in this way, the values of bulls variable need to be made 0. For that, I right click on this code block and duplicate it. Drag the duplicated code block here and change the name of the variable to app variable bulls. Okay. Now you need to count the number of numbers typed by the player after guessing and change the value of the count variable. For that, click variables again and drag a change app variable secret number by 1 code block here. The name of the variable in this code block is changed to app variable count. Here, the player gets only the chance to guess 15 numbers. After typing 15 numbers without guessing the correct number, the game status is assigned as false. Also, the final screen should be displayed. Let's create the code for this now. I click on Control and drag an if code block into the if code block of the when button submit code block that we were creating. I drag this if code block above the set app variable cows2 code block. For the condition here, a code block with the equal sign under the logic is dragged. Drag an app variable count code block under variables to the left side of the equal sign and drag a code block with the 0 in math to the right side. Here the value is changed as 15. Click variables again and drag a set app variable secret number 2 code block here. Click on this arrow and change the variable to app variable game status. Now we need to give false as the value of this variable. I am attaching here a code block with a pair of inverted commas under the text. Let's type false between the pair of inverted commas. In the meantime, because the final screen needs to be displayed, I will click on Control and drag a navigate to code block like this. From here, let's change the name of the screen as final screen.